What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Travel. In today's video, guys, we do have another one on Gala, guys. As you can see, no much movement from this crypto at all over the last couple of days. It's been pumping and dropping in value, but it's been fluctuating around the 5 cents target, and as you can see, it has only dropped about 2% in the last 24 hours. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to pump anytime soon, heading towards the 10-15 cents target? Is it going to drop back down, or is it just going to stay around its current price range? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? And also looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and also covering the long-term investors over the next few weeks, months, and overall in 2023. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, with Gala dropping about 3%. And yes, guys, most cryptos are down today. As you guys can see here, they're red. Bitcoin was down, but as you can see, it's just about gained a percentage in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has gained over a percentage. Over the week, more or less 9% up. It's been very volatile, as you guys can see. And over the month, it has obviously gained a huge 170%, going from about 1 cent all the way up to nearly hitting 5 cents right now, which is a major increase. But again, it's only been 3 weeks since the start of the year, 3.5 weeks. And what does Gala have to offer for the rest of the year? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has only gone up by 5% in the last 24 hours, making it $303 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. However, the trading volume was hitting about $1 billion over around a week ago. However, because of not much movement from the crypto itself, many people are just holding on to it right now. They're not buying it, they're not selling it, they're just holding on to it, hence why the trading volume has dropped quite heavily. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And also we've got the purple line here at the top running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Gala at 0.04503. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in green at 0.04981, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, only because of the increases over the last 3, 4, 5 hours, as you guys can see here. Again, yes, I'm expecting it to pump up in value over the coming hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours. So early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Gala to go through an increase in value, but it's not going to be a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value, more or less hovering around the 5 cents target, potentially hitting about 0.052 cents, somewhere around here. In between here is where I'm expecting it to trade. Yes, do expect red candles in between green candles, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. We got both the blue and the orange line heading towards a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about by mid next week, so over the next 7-8 days, I am expecting Gala to go for an increase in value, potentially heading upwards to around the 6 cents target is what I'm expecting. 0.057 to 0.059, just about hitting 6 cents by mid next week is what I'm expecting. And again, that also does not mean we're going to be hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not, guys. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but it just means the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should be expecting from Gala over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, we are not looking as bullish as the previous two charts. In fact, we do have the orange line just about slanting towards the negative direction, and the blue line is clearly heading towards the bearish direction, looking negative. So both the lines are not looking too good, guys. Potentially an overall drop in value is what we should be expecting according to the graph. However, that's not what I'm going to say, guys. An overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the coming weeks, even though right now it's going through a little bit of a break, shall I say, a step back compared to how much it was pumping over the last 2 weeks. Right now, this week has been very quiet. As you guys can see, it's been more or less fluctuating around the 5 cents target since about the 14th 15th of January for about 10 days straight. And guys, I'm expecting it to pump up in value over the coming 6 to 8 weeks time. So mid-March to late March 2023, I'm expecting Gala to be trading around the 10 to 11 cents target. And again, it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value. You're not going to see it, out of nowhere in about 2-3 days randomly pump up to 10 cents. That's not the case. What I am saying is, yes, it's likely to drop down to around the 4 cents target before it goes back up in value, hitting the 10 cents. However, it is going to be a slow and steady process. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run out of nowhere, and we don't want to see that. What we want to see is a slow and steady increase, which I'm expecting it to hit 10 cents by March, and hopefully we should be hitting the 15 cents target around April, May time. I'm expecting Gala to be heading towards a 15 cents target. So by mid-year, we should comfortably be sitting at 15 cents or higher. But again, it all depends on the crypto market conditions. For example, any crashes or major pumps and bull runs, these things will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Gala, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything that I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head to the green zone, but I'm hoping we should be able to do that by the end of the year. We should be able to hit the resistance target and potentially even break out into the green zone, hitting about 25 to 27 cents by the end of the year. Yes, I know we still got a good 11 months left, and anything can happen in between that time. That is why I'm keeping us updated on a daily basis on Gala, because this seems to be one of your favorite cryptos out there, especially the way that it's been pumping this year. It's only right that I make daily videos on this crypto just to keep you guys updated, keep you guys in the loop on my predictions and my takes on this crypto. So make sure you stay subscribed. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, it's free to hit that subscribe button, so why not hit that subscribe button for me and help me out. And also, guys, what I want you guys to do is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys predict Gala to be hitting in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and bearish on this crypto. But yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.